This is a review of the ILM motorcycle helmet that I would definitely recommend. So this helmet that you can see here, this is by far one of the best helmets that I ever got. And this helmet in particular, the quality is extremely high quality. This is a gloss black in size large, and you can see here that's two, pretty much it comes with two of the face screens that you see here. This face screen is a clear, and this one is a 5%, which means all blacked out. I do love that it comes with both of them, and you can see here it comes with the instructions as well too. If you ever get lost or you need any help with the, pretty much changing out the parts of this motorcycle helmet, then it comes with the instruction guides as well too. That's a huge plus right there. And right here, you get a neck scarf right here. And that pretty much during the winter seasons, it will protect you from getting, cold. As you know, winter when it comes, then it's gonna be freezing. Then the neck scarf protects you from your neck from getting cold when you're driving a motorcycle. So that's one of the thing I like about it. I'm going to show you guys. It also does flip over like this too. And when I open it up, you can see that it is a clear, you can see your face, and it has air ventilation. So if you feel suffocated or you feel like getting some fresh air in your motorcycle helmet, you can open and tilt this thing up, and it also goes all the way down too, to however your liking is. And right here, you can see it comes with some screws right here that to take this off, you have to pretty much, there's a like a Phillip head screwdriver. You take that off. It's very easy to change the face screens, and that's one of the things I like about it, is that it pretty much within 5 minutes you could take it off and put the other one on right there. And I'm gonna flip it over to show you guys the back side of the helmet. So the back side of the helmet, you can see here that it comes with the neck scarf that is adjustable, and you could pretty much take this off, and if it's like if you're wearing it during the summertime, you could take it off and pretty much have it during the summer without the neck scarf. So it's your preference right there, depending on if it's summer or cold. Now you do see here it's a DOT certified helmet, so that means that it protects you. It's street legal, and it protects you by any chance, by God forbid, if you get crashed in a motorcycle. The quality of this is very a durable, high strength quality, and I'm sure if anybody wears this helmet or something like that, by any chance, unfortunately, if that type of time ever comes and you do get yourself injured, this helmet will definitely it'll definitely save your life. And it pretty much is, the quality of it is really durable. And right here, you can see here that it also has a latch that is adjustable right here, that you can see here inside of it, that you could adjust for your neck. So you could choose how much tightness you want for your neck to however your liking is. It comes with the adjustable strap right there that you can see here. And on the bottom of it, the inside is pretty breathable and it's comfortable. And when you wear it, pretty much, if you open the vents up on this motorcycle helmets, then you can pretty much breathe inside, and it's very, like it's not any suffocation or anything like that some people expect from a motorcycle helmet. It's not anything like that. So that's one of the things I like about this motorcycle helmet. Overall, the quality is really outstanding and high quality, and you can see the sticker on the back that says DOT approved. So pretty much it's street legal. It'll protect yourself by, like I mentioned, by any chance, or God forbid, if you get into a motorcycle crash. This will definitely protect you from especially from your head. You're not going to get injured as you would if you wouldn't wear a motorcycle helmet. So that's something to keep in mind. I would highly recommend this motorcycle helmet if you're looking for a new replacement set motorcycle helmet, or you're wanting a strong motorcycle helmet to protect yourself for safety hazard purposes, or as you guys know, any God forbid, any motorcycle crash, then this motorcycle helmet is probably one of the best motorcycle helmets you could get. And I would highly recommend this motorcycle helmet from ILM.